Are you looking for a video about pairs of lines? Then this video is right for you. So, without much further ado, let's begin. Hi, my name is Rowel Carpio, a math teacher and a coach, and I do math tutorial in my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to present all about pairs of lines. What does a pair of lines form? A pair of lines can be parallel, intersecting, or perpendicular. So, these are the parallel lines, intersecting lines, and perpendicular lines. Let's start with parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that do not meet or intersect even if the lines are extended. The symbol for parallel to is two vertical lines. So for example, we have here line AB and line CD. Line AB is parallel to line CD. In symbols, we have line AB, two vertical lines, and then we have line CD. How do we know whether the lines are parallel or not? We know that the lines are parallel if no matter how we extend the lines, they will never meet. Take a look at this example. Even if we will extend this line in this direction and this line also in this direction, they will never meet at any point. While in this end also, even if we will extend this line in this direction and this line CD also in this direction, they will never meet at any point. So when two or more lines do not meet or intersect, no matter how we extend the lines, they are said to be parallel lines. Let's proceed to intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. Two or more lines that meet at a point are called intersecting lines. The point at which the lines meet is called the point of intersection. Line EF and line GH are intersecting lines. Line EF intersects line GH at point P. So these two lines meet or intersect at point P. This point P is the point of intersection of the lines EF and GH. We know that these two or more lines intersect when they meet at any point of the line. So in this case, in our example, the two lines meet at point P. That's why they are called intersecting lines. So in symbol, we can also write it as line EF intersects line GH, or line GH intersects line EF. Now, how about perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect and form a right angle. The symbol, we have vertical line that meets a horizontal line is used to denote these perpendicular lines. So in other words, perpendicular lines are special kind of intersecting lines because perpendicular lines are intersecting lines. But unlike other intersecting lines, the perpendicular lines form a right angle at the point of intersection. So let us have this example. Line LM intersects line OP at point N. So, in other words, the point of intersection of the two lines is at point N and forms a right angle. So you can see here a right angle at the point of intersection. Hence, line LM and line OP are perpendicular lines. So we can also write this as line LM is perpendicular to line OP. So again, we say that when two or more lines do not meet, even if how much we extend the lines, they are called as parallel lines. But when two or more lines intersect or meet at a common point, they are called intersecting lines. But when we have two lines that meet at a common point and form a right angle at the point of intersection, it is called perpendicular lines. So let us have activity. So in this activity, we are going to identify each pair of lines as parallel, intersecting, or perpendicular. So you are going to study this given illustration for you to identify correctly each pair of lines, whether they form parallel, intersecting, or perpendicular. So I will be giving you 10 seconds for you to answer. After that, we are going to check your answers. So your 10 seconds starts now. Okay, time is up. So let's have number 1. Line AB and line CD. If you notice here, line AB and line CD will never meet or intersect no matter how we extend these two lines. So they are parallel lines. So the two lines are said to be parallel. Next, number 2. Line EF and line AB. The two lines meet at this point. But if we notice here, they do not form a right angle at the point of intersection. These two lines form intersecting lines. Next, line GH here and line CD. So the two lines meet at this point. And if we notice here, these two lines form a right angle at the point of intersection. So we call them as perpendicular. Number 4, line AB and line GH. Also, the two lines meet at this point. They form a right angle at the point of intersection. This is also another perpendicular lines. And finally, we have line EF and line GH. If we notice here, these two lines, though at this illustration, we can see that they do not meet. But the moment we will extend this line here, and this line also in this direction, we can see that they will meet at this point. But they do not form a right angle at the point of intersection. Therefore, we can call them as intersecting lines. So, I hope that you got all 5 correct. So, this time, I will be giving you these exercises. All you have to do is to identify which of the following pairs of lines does not intersect and explain your answer. So, you just only choose the letter of the correct answer and then explain your answers on the comment section found below. So there you have it. I hope that you have learned and enjoyed watching this video. See you again in my next video. Thank you.